What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video, and for those of you that haven't tuned in, welcome to your first video. So I want to start off today with a little something that my friend posted on Facebook, right? He said, name the whitest thing you've seen in a long time. And this man said that there was a golden retriever get-together in Golden, Colorado. Well, god damn it, I must be the whitest there is because I was at that event. So, with that being said, I own a golden retriever. You guys have seen them. Some of you haven't. The ones who are just joining, you haven't seen it. But that is not what today's video is about. Let's get rolling in today's video. We've actually got something going on with the Grom today. This ugly plastic back fairing thing, McJigger, whatever the hell you want to call this thing right here, has got to go, and we have got to get rid of this. So what we did, we went ahead and ordered something from Amazon. I know it's a cheap one, but we got it in this box, so let me unbox it. First things first, we moved the bike to a more suitable spot for it to be worked on. But let's get into taking this thing out of the box. Oh, it looks like there's two pieces. Okay, cool. I'm not really sure what that says. I'm pretty sure it says Ram Soto. That's what it said online when I ordered it from Amazon. But it looks like there's more in here. I'm hoping, oh look, there's some instructions and there's some extra bolts in this box. But here is the other part for the bike. Sweet. All right, I'm gonna try to do this as best I possibly can and follow these instructions step by step for you guys. So step number one, it says remove the rear seat. I don't know if there's a front seat, but I see one seat. So let's go ahead and remove the seat off the bike. I think we're doing that right. Right, is that right? Something like that, guys, I swear. I swear this is how it works. Okay, so I basically just had to stop being a little bitch and pull up on the seat a little bit when I took off. So there, step one is complete. We removed the seat. Step one, so let's move on to step number two. Unplug the license plate light and turn signal electrical connector. Okay, whatever, black wire. Let's see if we can find it. It looks like, here's number two. Number two, okay, yeah, so it's not a very good photo of exactly what you need to do at all. So let's see if we can figure this out. So in here we're looking, looks like here's a clip right here. That would be one I would assume that we need to unplug and then unclip this from the frame. So we're gonna do that right now. And since I need two hands to do this and I don't have anyone to help, I'm gonna set this down for a second. All right, so my dumbass can't figure out step two. So what we're gonna do is gonna skip right to step three. We're gonna unbolt these and we're gonna see exactly which wire that we're gonna have to unplug because I ain't no electrician. So let's get doing to step number three. And we're gonna take each of these bolts off real quick, right here. These four. Removed 1, 2, and 3 of the 4 bolts. We still got the 4th one in there right there because it's still hanging on so I can figure out where to unplug, but this is the one that I need to unplug right here. So I'm trying to figure out where this runs right now and where to unplug it from because the instructions, you know, they weren't all that clear, honestly. It looks like it might be something right up here, but we'll see. So I'm not sure if you can see this. So you see that white plug right there, right? It actually just fed to this big lump that you could probably see in the video just before. It was just covering that. So that's what we had to unplug. So we actually got step number 2 done. So the last step is to take out that last bolt. All right, so let's move on to step number 4. It says slide the rear fender assembly forward and remove from motorcycle. Pretty simple. Let's see if that's possible to do. Oh, that's relatively easy. Just gotta squeeze that through there. Crap, that came off super easy. There it is. It looks like we're gonna have to do disassembly to, you know, get these off, get the rear brake light off, and the license plate and a few things to get it back on there. But gosh, that looks so much better. We're looking like an actual mini motorcycle. All right, so I'm not even gonna show you step 5, but I just need to remove this license plate. That's cake. All right, number 5, easy enough. We did that, so we're gonna go on to number 6, and number 6 says using figure 3 right here, these 4 bolts. So we need to flip this thing upside down and remove the plastic cover, and right there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna do that real fast. So we did step 6. We took off this plastic piece, and now it looks like it's asking us to take off some wiring, and holy crap, I don't know what I'm doing. So after that, it wants us to take apart, what is this, figure 6? Remove the license plate assembly. Yeah, we don't need to do that. Disconnect the turn signal electrical connector. Needle nose pliers are needed. So we got to figure out how to take these apart next. So that was the biggest pain in the ass my brother came to supervise. But yeah, so we got this part off. I know there's a lot more to do, but we got the first page done. So let's move on to page number 2. Oh, so we kind of skipped a few steps ahead here, and we're on, shoot, number 11, 12, something like that. So we took off the blinkers, so we can go ahead and use those. Need to clean them. And we took off the rear brake light. Can't remember if you guys saw that part or not, but we are now on to installing the new stuff. All right, so we skipped a few steps. I'm sorry that I didn't show you guys. This is kind of taking a lot longer than I really anticipated, but right here on these parts, here's the mount for the license plate. These parts need to be drilled out a little bit bigger for the blinkers because they are not quite fitting through there the way they need to be. So we're gonna drill these out and then we'll be back. So perfect, I got the turn signals on. What I had to do was drill out those holes right there. Super simple, like literally took seconds to do it. So we've got those ready to go. So let's get this license plate light mounted up, and then hopefully we can start putting it back on the bike. Ooh, Ryan, your hands are so pretty. You should sell hand picks on OnlyFans. Anyways, Ryan's over here helping me figure this out real fast. It looks like we've got almost all of the lighting installed back on it. And then we're gonna get to hopefully installing this thing on the bike, just like I said 2 seconds ago. So there's a little rubber grommet that we're struggling with, but we did get both the blinkers and the license plate light back on. So we're just trying to connect the last little piece and plug all these things in, so we are good to go. Guys, here's the moment of truth. So we have this mounted up. We're gonna have to put the key in and see if, okay, we got power. So let's try it. So right blinker. Holy well, when you turn right, we go left, so
that's what Lightning McQueen.
God damn it. Look at this, guys. So if that's the case, so we're supposed to be going left. It's making funny noises, but the blinkers are wrong. So since both of those are wrong, we're gonna take a few things apart real quick to swap these over. These are actually upside down. These need to be the other way, so that'll actually solve our problem. So we're gonna get after that, swap those over, and we'll be back. All right, so we got it all pieced back together, and I will say it looks a lot better than the big old plastic piece that it comes with. So that's about it. Dad came to check in on what we're doing. Again, it's pretty simple. It did take a lot longer than I thought, and I had to drill out a few little things, but other than that, looks good, looks like a street bike. And make sure you guys do me a favor and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you enjoy what you see, make sure you hit the little bell notification so you're notified when a video's posted. Thank you guys for tuning in the video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscription button. Take care.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button.
God, you did it again.